Neurobion forte tablet is a multivitamin supplement that contains vitamin B and its derivatives. See the ingredients of this. First, thiamine mononitrate or vitamin B1 10 mg, riboflavin or vitamin B2 10 mg, pyridoxine hydrochloride or vitamin B6 3 mg, cyanocobalamin or vitamin B12 15 mcg, nicotinamide or vitamin B3 45 mg, calcium pantothenate or vitamin B5 50 mg. Now let's see what are the uses of Neurobion Forte tablet. It enhances red blood cell production and absorption of iron in the case of anemia, enhances and strengthens the immune system, metabolism, and nervous system, enhances and strengthens the bone, joints, and cartilages, relieve common symptoms of vitamin B deficiency such as tingling, numbness, and burning sensation. It is also helpful in neuropathic pain and aid in the treatment of mouth ulcers. Common side effects include stomach upset, constipation, diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. Some safety advice would be do not use if you are allergic to Neurobion Forte or any of its components. Also, avoid taking more than one multivitamin product at the same time unless advised by the doctor. Taking similar nutritional supplement products together can lead to a vitamin overdose or serious side effects.